Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing Humpty Dumpty sitting on his big, tall wall from the nursery rhyme Humpty Dumpty. This song is all about a friendly egg and his great big fall, and I can't wait to show you why all the king's horses and all the king's men came running to help Humpty Dumpty. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw along together. If you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next song drawing. Alright, now here comes Humpty Dumpty. Let's draw and sing together.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the ground. Humpty Dumpty looked all around. Gone were the chimneys, gone were the roofs. All he could see were ankles and hooves. Poor old Humpty, poor
sang and drew Humpty Dumpty on his tall wall. What fun! Even after his big fall, we saw how friends came to help, just like in the rhyme. If you loved drawing and singing with me, give this video a big like and hit subscribe so you never miss the next Let's Draw a Song. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Bye for now, friends.